Yes, my name is Dr. Timoko. I'm the counsel to Omoyele Sowore. This matter came up today for proper hearing of the motion on notice. That was filed before the court, just like you said. Claiming several reliefs, including damages, for the violation or threatened violation of Mr. Omoyele Sowore's rights. On the 5th of November 2025, the court gave an order restraining the Commissioner of Police of Lagos State and the entire police institution from declaring Mr. Omoyele Sowore wanted, from threatening his right, from threatening him with arrest, from whatever effect that could be given to that declaration that was made by the Commissioner of Police on the 3rd of November. It was put in abeyance. And the court adjourned for today because of the urgency of the matter. But we are in court today. Regrettably, they have not put in any paper. And the lawyer who appeared, who said he saw the matter, and because it's for the police, he had to appear. His name is Iroele. He said because you give him a stand down or an adjournment for him to be able to respond to the processes. The court refused, and he said he undertook, because he reported to the court that the Commissioner of Police, even after the court order, had deliberately flouted the court order by insisting that Mr. Omoyele Sowore is still wanted. And the court acknowledged that if that is the situation, there is no way there could be an adjournment. But the lawyer undertook, that he personally undertook, as Iroele, that the Commissioner of Police will not, from today going forward, will not make such declaration, and that he will not threaten Mr. Omoyele Sowore's rights, and that there will not be any form of arrest. He was even saying that there has been an order from Abuja that the Commissioner of Police should not take any step. So the court, based on that, and in the interest of justice, adjourned the matter to the 24th of November, which is a few days from now, for them to file any defense if they have any. The foundation of this matter is the Orosoki demolition and the protest by the residents. People were arrested based on the fact that they protested demolition of their houses. They were charged to court based on the fact that they protested. They were remanded. Some of them, the bail was granted to some of these persons. The situation as of today, I cannot authoritatively confirm that they are out of custody, because I know the counsel who represented them in the magistrate court. But so far that matter is still there. So far that problem is still there. There is no institution, even including the government. You cannot beat a child and ask the child not to cry. If there is ongoing demolition on Orosoki, people who don't have houses, they must come to the street. You cannot stop that. A protest is backed up by the Constitution more than any other law. That is the supreme law. People will protest. There is no way you can say it. The only thing that can stop people protesting is to stop injustice. If there is no demolition on Orosoki today, and citizens are going about their business quietly, and one single individual run mad and come out and start shouting, he will be isolated. But you cannot demolish hundreds of houses and now allow them to be quiet. And that is why the Commissioner of Police must come to terms with the fact that to stop a protest in Nigeria where there is injustice every day is an impossibility. It's an impossibility. The Constitution does not even speculate that. The Constitution already speculates protesting, that people will protest against injustice. They will. And the court has not even, no court in Nigeria till today, right from inception, has ever declared that people don't have the right to protest. What the court has said consistently is that the right for people to protest is sacrosanct. And we will stand by that. If there is a demolition on the Orosoki tomorrow, people will still come out to protest that. No Commissioner of Police can stop that. None. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.